All right, so this is Code Man's Auto. We got a few tools to review. And to review tools, we needed a place to review them. So we went and bought us a new bench to review them off of. I've never owned a Yukon mobile workbench, but I do now. So we are going to get it unboxed. And we thought we'll just do a review on the table we're going to do reviews on. So here we go. This has a wooden top on it. We got it at Harbor Freight. It's packaged well.
Then they're tight.
Then they're good and tight.
Oh, it's already on top of it. Okay. Will this whole thing slide up? See what's after?
Ooh, right on top. Got a set of keys.
Might be handy if you got some thieves
running
around. Some people you don't trust.
Might be handy to lock stuff up with. Yeah. I'll lose those back there somewhere.
Here, go ahead.
All right. Set that out of the way.
We got it backwards.
Oh man, we got it backwards. I'm gonna turn this around.
It did package it pretty good if you have it, if you order it online.
Yep. All right. Well, it's a nice looking box.
Ball bearing, drawer slides.
This came in several colors, but we wanted blue. We just like blue.
Bike's blue.
Yep. We like our blue. Here's the directions. Cody needs them. He doesn't know how to use them. He doesn't know how to open it.
Where'd you lose them keys?
Oh, here's them keys.
All right, turn it up.
Yeah, hold on.
Oh, there we go. Turn it all the way over. Oh, that's nice. Got the.
We'll bring the camera in here in a minute and show you inside the drawers. It's got matting inside the drawers to put your tools on. Well, in the top drawer, it doesn't have it in the smaller drawers.
So this top lock locks every drawer going down. Yeah.
Maybe.
Maybe. Very good.
Yeah, you gotta have the drawer shoved all the way in before it'll lock it in the back. So
We got it on a stand-up card. It's a little bit uneven right now.
all right,
Well, that is nice.
we are going to let's spin that around in a circle and just get a good look at it all the way around. Man, I tell you, that's a pretty blue. All right. We're gonna search through these drawers, find the handles and the wheels, and see if we can't get this put together. So, yeah, right here in the bottom drawer. We got our handles. Does that side have a handle?
Yeah, it's got a place.
Got a place for a handle, but it only comes with one handle.
You got a place for it over there? Yeah. Here's the wheels. 4 wheels. Thank goodness for that.
So it looks like it comes with just one handle. If we find another one in here, of course, we'll show you. But you can mount it on either side. It has holes on either side so that you can mount the handle on either side of the cabinet. But I really wish this was chrome, but that's all right.
Pretty good. I got a little workbench up here to do all this on. Comes with the
tool.
With the tool to put your handle on and your wheels.
That's some pretty heavy wheels.
Amen. Let's lift it up and get that cardboard out. Yeah, that cardboard.
Well, can we just lay it on the cardboard?
Because once we get the wheels under, then we can just lay it on the floor. Just slide it out.
Cut off on a video.
That's kind of rough, ain't it? All right.
Locking wheels.